What is up, and welcome to another video about Bitcoin price and technical analysis. So yesterday, what a crazy day yesterday. Bitcoin breaks this 30,000 level and the price have surged by almost 17%, going as high as $35,300, guys. And this is of course caused by the news about the Blackrock ETF application, and what a roller coaster ride. Today we have some news coming out that the Bitcoin ETF ticker is no longer available in the DTCC website, and as well as in the Bloomberg terminal. So this actually affected the price today, guys. The price was trading at around 35,000 when this news came out today, and right now we have seen the effect on the price. A little bit of volatility in the smaller time frame, also affecting a lot of the altcoins. Market is pretty unstable right now. The price of cryptos and altcoins is affected solely by the news right now, and it is not respecting any resistance or any technical analysis right now. So this is driven by FOMO, and of course I think this price movement is being manipulated, guys. The volume is very low, while the price have surged so much in just a single day. This is a manipulation here. This is a very strong resistance, by the way. We have this zone right here and pivot zone for Bitcoin, and just one single candle driving the price up to $35,000, liquidating most of the shorts, and of course hitting all the stop loss and liquidation price. What a crazy day. And also, if you have been following me on this channel, by the way, before I discuss to you my latest analysis about the Bitcoin's price and the possible target in the coming days, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, leave some comments in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts about the Bitcoin's price, and of course I'm going to share with you very important details and update today about my own opinion about the market, and I'm gonna share with you some possible price action in the coming days. And before we do that, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial or investment advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. And of course, let me show you guys, we have Bitcoin CME gap at around 34,500 up to $36,200, guys. So keep an eye on this level, and we have actually a candle wick at around this area. So do you think the gap has been filled by this wick, or are we going to see the price move up to this level before going down, or continuing its move to the upside? And by the way, Bitcoin dominance is just killing the BTC altcoin pair right now. This Bitcoin dominance is at 54% right now, guys. And of course, let's check the fear and greed index. Wow, the fear and greed index right now is at 66. Everyone is being so greedy right now. So you know what to do, guys. When the fear and greed index is on the greed level, you know what to expect next. Also, if we are going to check out the 1-year chart, the fear and greed index is actually at its peak right now, guys. At its peak. So let's compare the price here when Bitcoin have hit the previous all-time high. Let's check the date, by the way. So this is around November 2021. So let's check. So these are the two levels, guys. So this is the 69,000 BTC before it crashed down to 15,000, and this was the 65,000 BTC level, and right now we are on this level right here. So we are almost exhausted. The bulls are getting exhausted, and majority are getting greedy. All right, so going back to my previous analysis about the possible ABC correction after the impulse wave, guys. So I didn't really expect this one. This is purely manipulation in my own opinion, because look at this, guys. The price was trying to break this level right here, and this is a pretty strong resistance here. So what you can see, this was the previous pivot point last June 2022 when the price have hit this level. Then we have seen the price drop drastically down to $17,000, and this, I think, is purely manipulated price. Yesterday I've seen several USDT being minted, millions of USDT being minted, guys. So I think most of the retails got wrecked, including me, because I have been shorting Bitcoin at around 28,000. And again, if you are following me on my Twitter account, as what I've said, invalidation of the ABC correction will be around 30,500. So that is a very, very small percentage if you have set your stop loss at around that level. So I was shorting at around 28,000, and I closed my position at around $30,000 because the market was pretty volatile, and this was a crazy daily candle, guys. Look at this. This is around 17% in a single Bitcoin candle. That was crazy. And of course, you need to check this out, because usually Bitcoin makes a correction after 135 percent rally. So if you're going to measure this previous move, guys, so from the bottom here, this is around 121, 123, from $30,000 up to 36, this is around 137, and from $15,000 going to the current price, this is around, let's check here, because when I measured this a while ago, this was around 134%. So this was around 130%. So I think this is due for correction. If you're going to check the 136%, this is going to hit our target or the first resistance level here. Now, if you are following me on Twitter, I have posted my latest analysis about Bitcoin. So right now, I think Bitcoin is forming. When I posted this one, the price was trading at around $34,300, guys. And these are the significant levels that you need to keep an eye on. So 40 to 42. Let me share with you the latest chart that I have made here. So we have a pretty strong resistance at around 40 to $42,500, and right now the price is hovering near the resistance trend line. And if there will be no news, or there will be no FOMO, or there will be no any surprise news in the coming days, I think this is going to be a very good resistance, guys. This I think this is the third right now, so this makes it as a valid resistance. So this is the third touch, considering this as 1, 2, and 3. So I think this is a good resistance point for Bitcoin, considering this resistance trend line. But if you're going to check the left side of the chart, we have this level right here as the next major resistance for Bitcoin, guys. Around this level, we don't have much trade. So this level right here up to 37,500, exactly on this level, is the first strong resistance for Bitcoin. So if the price is not going to respect this resistance trend line, if you're going to check this area right here, we don't have much trade on this level, guys. So we have very few resistances along the way, and the next major resistance that I am looking at here will be around 37,000. So market will be pretty volatile in the coming days and weeks. So be extra careful with your trades, guys. And this is a huge range. Let's check how many percent is this. This is around another 17%. So if the volume continues to decline here, then that will be our first indicator that the Bitcoin's price could be heading back lower. But again, take note of this area, guys. This was the previous resistance for Bitcoin. Now this major resistance or significant resistance zone will now act as a support. So this will be our trading range in the coming weeks and months, guys. So this area right here. And I think this is going to, if you're going to measure the Fibonacci retracement level from this swing low right here up to this level, up to the current level, considering that this was the peak right here. So probably the price would retrace up to the 38.2 and the 50%, which is around 300 up to $30,000 for Bitcoin. And we have the support trend line here, and this is in confluence with our 200 EMA and 100 EMA support, guys. So possible price action in the coming days, I think. If there will be manipulation, we cannot control the price. Of course, what we can do is just to manage our risk. So if the price would respect this resistance trend line, I would expect a correction up to this level right here, the 38.2, which is around $31,800, up to the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which is around 30,136. If we break down below, then that's the time we are going to look at this lower range right here. But for now, this previous support now will act as the previous resistance rather will now act as a support for Bitcoin. And by the way, due to the public demand, the DTCC website is down right now, guys. Everyone wants to confirm if the Bitcoin ticker was actually removed from the website. And by the way, let me show you some of the previous trades here in our Discord group, guys. So today we had ETC long short term. This was the updated chart. This was the previous chart right here. ETC long high risk. If ETH will pump, ETC will pump harder. Another one is Polkadot long short term, guys. So these are some of the results. Congratulations. And of course, we had also Ethereum long, very good long position right here from 1674, final target 1750, which have hit yesterday. Congratulations as well. Solana short term, we have reached the 28.97 short term. As what you can see, this chart, I'm expecting a small pullback up to $28, 27.5, this area right here, and then a bounce back up to 30,000, which is exactly the price action right now. These are some of the trade results, by the way. Congratulations to all the VIPs in Discord. And another one right here is Litecoin. So we had also LTC long. This was the call, guys. Litecoin long position from 62. The entry was around 62 or 61 up to 62. Final target was 67.32. I think we have hit this final target for Litecoin. Congratulations to the VIPs. And of course, Polkadot. Look at this, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade in the VIP Discord. 3 to 4 days target. So this was the entry at around 3.7, 3.6, and the final target was around 3.87. Polkadot have rallied up to 4 something dollars today. So these are some of the results. Congratulations. Final target has been hit for Polkadot. And what else do we have here? XRP short position, stop loss was hit, small amount. So this was the trade. The stop loss was hit because of the news about Blackrock ETF. So those are just some of the trades in the past few days in our VIP Discord. If you want to join the community, head on to Patreon. I'll put the link in the description down below. So let's go back to the chart here. The price right now is just hovering in the smaller time frame. The price is still holding on to this level. Let's check the short-term target for the Fibonacci retracement level, guys. So short term, this will be our swing low right here. Swing low at around 29. So short term retracement will be 33,127. That will be our 38.2. If the Bitcoin's price will continue this rally, this will be our short-term long entry points, guys. So from 33,129, 50% at 32,500 and 60% at 31,834. And we have also short-term our 200 EMA and 100 EMA acting as a support. And of course we have a huge order block at around 34 up to $35,200. This is around 477 BTC. And let's check, before we end this video, let's check the book map. So we have liquidity at around 33,000. This is around 1,020 BTC liquidity level, up to 32,800. So keep an eye on this level. Yesterday I was looking at around 32,000 when Bitcoin was trading at around 30 or 30,000 ish level, but we have seen the crazy pump up to $35,000. So right now the bias is to the downside up to $32,800. So keep an eye on this for short term, guys. So that's it for today. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.